Hi there! In this video, you'll see each step that agents will go through if they are assigned to a predictive dialer campaign. Let's take a look. First, the agent needs to be logged into their MightyCall account, using either the web or desktop version, and then set their status to available by simply clicking on the status to the left of the profile photo and selecting Available. You don't have to keep any part of the software open. You'll receive campaign calls no matter what you're currently doing in the service. After a predictive dialer campaign is set up, watch this video here on how to do it, the system starts distributing calls to the selected agents. When the predictive dialer directs a call to your agent, they get this call request. They'll also see call details, the name of the campaign and its description, the contact's name, and any relevant notes for a successful customer interaction. Reminder: to maximize campaign performance, the predictive dialer algorithm connects agents only to the calls that have already been answered by contacts. That means when the agent receives a call request, the contact is already on the line waiting. This time spent waiting for the agent to accept or decline a call is known as ringing agent time and can be customized in the dialer settings. If the agent declines the call request or doesn't answer within the predetermined time limit while the contact is still on the line, the call is then directed to another available agent. If the agent decides to pick up the call, they simply click on the green phone icon and the conversation begins. As you can see here, the agent can do a couple of things during the call. They can transfer the call to another call center agent, add another participant to the call, open the dial pad, or they can click on the outbound campaign icon to get back to the ongoing call's information. Keep in mind, if it's important for your agents to be able to notify their supervisors about their status change during a call, whether they need help or when a contact has warmed up and become a lead, they can choose one of these custom statuses. The timer then starts over and the supervisor can see the agent's new status on their dashboard. Once the conversation is finished, either the contact or agent can end the call by clicking on the bottom red phone button. When the call is finished, the agent has some wrap-up time for any after-call activities. In MightyCall, you can do two things: select the call outcome, which are determined in the dialer settings and also can be customized depending on the campaign's goals, or add the number of the contact to the account's Do Not Call list, which basically means the number will be excluded from all outbound campaigns. If the agent fails to select any call outcomes by the end of the wrap-up time limit, the system automatically selects No Call Outcome Selected, and the web phone closes. After the wrap-up, the agent gets another call request, and everything starts over. If an agent thinks selecting one of the call outcomes is not enough, and they want to leave a more detailed comment on the interaction, this is what they should do. Go to the agent workspace, find the call they just had, and leave a note. This note will be available to the whole team. Here, you can also add a new contact, enter their name, save it, and then edit their contact information, including their email or leaving a comment with any relevant details. Every agent's step that you've seen here can be customized. When Supervisors sets up a campaign, they can set the time limits on how long the system rings the agent and how much time the agent has to wrap up after the call. The call outcomes, also known as call dispositions, that the agents select after the call is finished, can also be customized for each campaign. Showing this video to your call center agents will make them better prepared for working with MightyCall's predictive dialer campaigns. Please contact us if you have any other questions. Happy calling!